Hello student. Exercise 15.1 to be continue. Question number 20. Suppose you drop a die at a random on the rectangular region shown in the figure. What is the probability that it will land inside the circle with diameter 1 meter? So here given that the figure in rectangular length and breadth are given that 3 meter is length and 2 meter is breadth, and also given that inner side a circle with the diameter 1 meter. Now first of all here we have to find out both the areas. So first here we find area of rectangle. Area of rectangle equals to L into B. Here we know that area of rectangle equals to L means length multi breadth. So 2 multi 3 so equals to 6 meter square. Now area of circle equals to pi r square. Now pi multi r, that means here diameter is given that 1 meter in question. So diameter equals to 1 meter. Therefore radius equals to 1 upon 2. Now here we put the value of radius. R square means 1 upon 2 whole square. Now pi upon 4. Afterward probability of die will land inside the circle, so equals to pi upon 24. Now afterward next question number 21. A lot of consists of 144 ball pens, of which 20 are defective and the others are good. Students, here total number of pen is 144 and 20 are defective. So remaining 124 are good ones, means non defective. टोटल 144 बॉल पेन है, उसमें से 20 बॉल पेन जो है वो कैसी है, डिफेक्टिव है. तो उसमें से 20 हम निकाल देंगे तो बाकी जो बचेगी 124 बॉल पेन्स वो कैसी है, अच्छी वाली बॉल पेन है. और यहाँ पर आगे क्वेश्चन में दिया है नूरी विल बाय अ पेन इफ इट इज गुड. अब नूरी जो है अगर पेन अच्छी वाली जो है उसी को वो परचेज करती है. सो हियर how many pens are good ones? 124. Afterward given that but will not buy if it is defective. और अगर डिफेक्टिव है तो वो उसे परचेज नहीं कर रही है, दैट मीन्स 20. तो यहाँ पर दो चीज़ हमें ध्यान में रखनी है कि 20 जो है वो कैसी बॉल पेन से, डिफेक्टिव, और 124 जो है वो गुड वंस मीन्स नॉन डिफेक्टिव, अच्छी वाली पेन से. सो द शॉपकीपर डॉज वन पेन at random and give it to her. So find the probability of she will buy it. हमें probability फाइंड करनी है कि वो पेन परचेज करे, और वो कैसी, कौन से टाइप की पेन परचेज कर रही है, गुड वंस मीन्स 124. So afterward here we have to write that probability of getting a good pen equals to 124 upon 144. Total number of outcomes is, here we have to write in denominator, and in numerator here we write good ones, that means 124 pen. So its simplest form is 31 upon 36. Now afterward she will not buy it. If there is defective then it's not purchased. So afterward here probability is 20 upon 36. So here we write 1 minus 31 upon 36 equals to 5 upon 36. So here also we write in different method. she will not buy it. That means 20 are defective pen. So you can also write 20 means 20 are defective and she not purchase. So here we write 20 upon total number of pen is 144. Now 20 upon 144, that means here 5 upon 36, 5 4 ja 20 and 36 multiplied by 4 equals to 144. Now here also we can find that type. Now next question number 24. A die is thrown twice. What is the probability that 5 will not come up either time and the second 5 will come up at least once? तो मीन्स स्टूडेंट्स हमें यहाँ पर ये जो डाइस है उसको थ्रो करते हैं ट्वाइस, मीन्स 2 बार उसे टॉस किया. दैट मीन्स टोटल नंबर ऑफ आउटकम्स इक्वल्स टू हियर 36 एंड हियर वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट दैट द प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ 5 विल नॉट कम अप, कि उसके ऊपर 5 हमें न मिले. तो मीन्स ऐसे कौन से टाइप के नंबर है, पहले तो हम उसमें से 5 जिसके ऊपर दोनों के ऊपर 5 आते हैं ऐसे नंबरिंग हम काउंट करें तो उसमें 1 5 5 1 5 3 3 5 5 4 5 4 ऐसे 4 5 5 5 और 5 की पूरी लाइंस जैसे 5 1 5 2 5 3 5 4 5 5 एंड 5 6, सेम लाइक दैट 6 5 ऑल्सो. सो टोटल नंबर ऑफ 11s are comes on 5. So here we have to find 5 will not come up. So total outcomes is 36. So 5 will not come either up. So 36. That means here we write 5 will come up either time, then equals to 11 upon 36. So here we have to find out first point is 5 will not come up. That means total probability is 1. 1 में से उसे हमें क्या कर देना है 11 upon 36 को माइनस कर देना है. So answer is 25 upon 36. And second answer, here we have to find out the probability of 5 will come up at least once. एक बार एटलीस्ट जो एक बार है वो तो 5 आना ही चाहिए. तो ऐसे जो आउटकम्स है वो कितने, वो हमने पहले से काउंट करके रखे हुए हैं, तो वो है 11. सो हियर वी राइट probability of 5 will come at least once equals to 11 upon 36. Now next question number 25. Which of the following arguments are correct or which are not correct? Give reason for your answer. So first is, if two coins are tossed simultaneously, there are 3 possible outcomes: 2 heads, 2 tails, or 1 of each. Therefore, for each of these outcomes, the probability is 1 upon 3. So it's incorrect, because when we toss 2 coins, then total number of possible outcomes is HH, HT, TH and TT. So it can be observed that there can be one of the each in 2 possible way, HT and 2H. Next, second number, if a die is thrown, there are 2 possible outcomes, an odd or an even number. Therefore, the probability of getting an odd number is 1 upon 2. So here total number of outcomes is 4. So here we write that it's a correct, because it's a dice, so total number of outcomes is 6. And we know that in this exercise question that find the probability of an even number, find the probability of odd number, and find the probability of between 2 and 6 number, how many numbers are comes? So in question number 13 here we have already find out. So when a dice is thrown, the possible outcomes are 1 to 6 number, and out of these 1, 3 and 5 are odd number, and 2, 4 and 6 are even number. So total probability of an odd number getting odd number is 1 upon 2, and same like that even number are also 3. So it's also 1 upon 2. Now both the probability are become same. So that means it's a correct statement.